In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create crack text effect in Canva. This is a fun and creative design technique that can make your text stand out by blending it with bold, cracked textures for a striking and edgy look. Whether you're working on posters, social media graphics, or any other design project, this effect is simple to achieve and looks amazing. And if you don't already have a Canva account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. To begin, head over to Canva and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Create button. A menu will appear with different options. From here, select Photo Editor. If you don't see this option immediately, don't worry. Simply click on the More tab to find it. Now that you're in the Photo Editor, it's time to start building your design. Next, open the Elements tab from the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This tool gives you access to a wide range of graphic elements to enhance your design. Once you're in the Elements section, use the search bar to type in cracked or cracked texture. This will bring up a variety of cracked images and patterns to choose from. For this effect, it's best to pick a bold and visually strong cracked image, as these work best for creating a clear and striking background for your text. Take a moment to browse the options and select the one that fits your vision. Once you've chosen your cracked image, drag it onto your canvas. Stretch the image to cover the entire design area, making sure it fits seamlessly. If the image feels too busy or doesn't align with the look you're going for, you can rotate or crop it until it feels just right. Don't hesitate to experiment here. Adjusting the image can make a big difference in how the final design turns out. Now it's time to add your text. Open the Text tool from the sidebar and type in the words you want to feature in your design. For this effect to really pop, it's important to choose a bold font. Thick fonts create more space for the cracks to show through, which is key to achieving that textured look. Once you've selected your font, type your text and position it over the cracked image. Next, you'll want to adjust the color of your text to create a strong contrast against the background. Click on the color tile in the top toolbar to change the text color. If your cracked image is dark, choose white for your text. If the image is light, go with black instead. This contrast ensures that the cracked texture stands out clearly and enhances the overall effect. At this point, take some time to fine-tune the alignment of the text in the image. You can adjust the positioning, spacing, and overall balance until everything looks just right. This step might require a few tweaks, so don't rush. Play around with different arrangements to find the perfect balance between the text and the cracked texture. And there you have it, a stunning cracked text effect created entirely in Canva. This technique is not only simple but also highly versatile, allowing you to customize it for a variety of projects. So now you know exactly how to create a bold and eye-catching cracked text effect in Canva. If you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.